In a dramatic turn of events, Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on Monday, August 5, reportedly resigned and fled the country amid escalating protests demanding her ouster. Reports indicate that Hasina has left her official residence, Gana Bhaban, and is believed to have sought refuge in a safer location after thousands of protesters stormed the capital, Dhaka. The embattled leader and her sister departed Gana Bhaban in a military helicopter and are en route to India, according to Prothom Alo Daily. The Prime Minister's abrupt departure follows intense demonstrations and violent clashes that have gripped the nation, leading to a reported death toll of at least 300. The protests began last month, sparked by student groups advocating for the abolition of a controversial quota system in government jobs. The unrest quickly escalated into a broader campaign against Hasina's government, culminating in widespread calls for her resignation. The situation further deteriorated after Hasina's fourth consecutive term in office, won in a disputed election boycotted by the opposition. As the unrest deepens, Bangladesh's law minister described the situation as very volatile, with uncertainty surrounding the next steps. In response, the country's Chief of Army Staff, General Waqar Uzzaman, is expected to address the nation later today, urging calm and patience amidst the crisis. In the wake of the turmoil, Bangladesh has experienced a widespread internet shutdown, exacerbating the difficulty of obtaining real-time information. Protests have continued unabated despite a nationwide curfew, with students leading marches toward Dhaka to press for Hasina's resignation. The Indian Ministry of External Affairs has issued a travel advisory urging Indian nationals to avoid travel to Bangladesh and to exercise extreme caution if already present in the country. The advisory also includes emergency contact numbers for Indian citizens in Dhaka. As the situation remains fluid, global attention is focused on how Bangladesh will navigate this unprecedented political crisis and what steps will be taken to restore stability in the country.